Are you an author? Are you a sports person? What are your tastes? What is your dressing style like? Do you dress up in fashion, western? Do you wear ethnics? Do you wear coats, pants? Do you wear skirts? So all that has to be taken care of and stuff. So when you go into a parlor, discuss all this with your style expert and people around, and have faith in them. So wishing you well and take care of yourself. Now you got the summers thing happening in a month or so and stuff. Spring it is, so enjoy yourself and stuff. Pamper yourself. Take care of your hair. Your hair needs a lot of replenishment and stuff. So oil them and stuff, and avoid taking somebody else's tip because hair qualities differ. Okay, so if somebody's had a bad hair experience, doesn't mean your experience is going to be really bad. It's better to focus on positive hair experiences and stuff like that, because that helps you kind of stay trendy. That gives you an open mind. You do not close your brain towards going to a parlor, and you don't bring a parlor at home. Okay, so look at the hair color. This is something which I have done at home. So because of whatever health concerns I have, I'm recovering in still, but I've done this at home. So tell me if it looks great or not. So when you spend time in a parlor, you also learn stuff. So try experimenting at home. This is the best I could do. So you have highlights available. So check with a hair expert if they're going to kind of influence your hair growth, or are they going to work good for you and stuff like that. And of course, girls love to experiment at home and stuff. So get your own packs, try it, but try and be in the safe hands and take expertise of supervised people and stuff. Sorry, I mean experienced people. Okay, so this is an unedited one. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Have a blast, enjoy yourself. Cheers to you on a lovely coffee, a black coffee, and spend some time meditation, spend some time in positive thinking, because when you think positive, it shows on your personality, and everything about you speaks and spells the energy and stuff. Okay, so hope you like this. I don't know how it is. I think I just had a haircut 3-4 months back and stuff. So try experimenting and try training stuff and all that. And if somebody makes a comment on your hair and stuff, ignore it. But if it is someone who's got experience and somebody who's more aware and more fashionable, or you follow them, then take it with a pinch of salt and stuff like that and improvise on it. Okay, so love and luck and take care, and wishing everybody a very happy Valentine's Day in advance. Happy Freedom's Day to those who are unmarried and single, and of course those who are in love and enjoying it, and they have great relationships happening. Bless you with lots of love, happiness, celebrations, and good times and memories. Okay, so love and luck and take care. Cheers, and thank you for your messages. Thank you for your likes. 240 watches and 170 watches without formal or any kind of Facebook marketing or social media marketing, I think is a good score. So thank you so much for watching all these. I do not market myself. I just share my thoughts and stuff like that. But maybe, who knows. So I've got less chaos and mess to manage and stuff. So you take care and have fun. That's the advantage of having focused social media marketing. You do not have to be in chaos and manage your fees and stuff like that. And if you really want to get into it, you can have a PR agency doing it for you. But start small, and there is no one way to market yourself and hype yourself. You have to stand up for whatever you share and stuff. People should not be misled into forming an opinion or an image about you, and you're completely a contrast the other way around. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun, and cheers, and spend some time reading, get some magazines and stuff. The color looks trendy and stuff. If you're kind of getting stagnated at home, you're getting let's say bored, or you want to improvise and stuff like that, pick up some magazines, do some reading, and at the end of it, you're definitely going to be well informed and more aware about international. So stay trendy, stay upbeat, have fun, and always a good idea to look at positive content, because so much to follow. Fashion, style, books, looks, personalities and stuff, and there are lots and lots of interviews and lots of interesting ads in this. So it's also going to kind of add to your creative and your I would say business management and branding acumen. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun. Cheers, enjoy, have a great day and have a blast. Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.